this job when I use the of course final drive gear oil 7590, and then the grease for the shaft, flat screwdriver, 3/8 ratchet, 1/4 inch ratchet, bungee cord, hold the brake, the brake caliper, extension 3/8, and then Torx. We want to use a 30, T30, T40, T45, T50. That's the tools we needed. Regular maintenance. We want to start removing the rear fender, and then we want to remove the brake caliper, of course the tire. Speed sensor, it is right here, this Torx. Okay, our range right here, I think it's T40, yep, T40. A little bracket for the speed sensor cable harness. Alright, with the little container, we want to drain all the fluid. Alright, after we drain all the fluid, we want to start taking out the bolts that hold the rear end. This one right here, T50 Torx. Careful, try to play a little bit with the rear end. That way you can take it out the bolts. Alright, so just leave it like this, and then be careful with the little rubber. Try to hold right here. You got like 2 tabs. And then, there you go. A little bit rusty after 20,000 miles. You can see it from here, this angle, and then right here too. Not too bad, like I said. We want to clean everything right here. Where's the boot seals? Right here in the shaft cover. And then we want to put the anti-seize or a special lube for the shaft. In the meantime, like I said, we want to put a new fluid in the rear end. So we can put a little bit of this grease right here in the shaft inside. That way we have very good lubrication. On both sides. Like I said, make sure all the 4 grips, make sure kind of hold it in the bottom right here, and then the 2 ones in the top. More easy, try to hold it with a screwdriver and try to put it right here, and then it's very easy, like that. In the meantime, make sure when you turn the rotor, you can see right here inside, it's turning. So that means everything's in the spot. Make sure about the boot in the bottom, and then the top one. Alright, so you try to hold the rear end. Try to see the hole for the arm. Try to play a little bit. That way you can get all the threads in. Make sure you get these clamps or the boot inside all the way in. That way you don't have any troubles in the future. There you go. I'm gonna put it back the drain block. Now it's time to put back the brake caliper. First, I'm gonna put the speed sensor. Always clean it. Make sure the O-ring is in the right spot. Same spot right here. Right here. I'm gonna put the 2 bolts to hold the caliper. Then right here, and then with the brake line. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.